Winter storm spreading snow, sleet, rain and some freezing rain across southern and central Minnesota, as well as western Wisconsin through tonight. A winter storm warning remains in effect for central Minnesota and parts of western Wisconsin through Wednesday evening. A winter weather advisory is in effect for portions of south central and east central Minnesota through Wednesday evening. An area of low pressure will continue to intensify across Nebraska overnight and slowly move across northern Iowa and southern Minnesota by Wednesday morning. Several waves of precipitation will occur overnight, with the predominate precipitation type across far southern Minnesota rain, with a mixture of rain, freezing rain and sleet for the rest of southern Minnesota, and mainly sleet and snow for central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. The heaviest snow overnight is expected across central Minnesota into west central and northwest Wisconsin, with some areas likely seeing a half-foot or more by morning. Due to the warm air, there will be a wide range of snowfall totals across the area from this system, with the sharp cutoff along the line from Morris to St. Cloud to Rice Lake. Totals of 6 to 12 inches are likely north of this line in central Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin, with much lesser amounts south of this line near Hutchinson and the Twin Cities metro area, and less than an inch near the Iowa and Minnesota border. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Overnight, breezy. Freezing rain possibly mixed with rain, and sleet late in the evening, then rain and sleet possibly mixed with snow overnight. New snow and sleet accumulation up to 2 inches. New ice accumulation of 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch. Lows around 32. East winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Wednesday, snow in the morning, then snow likely in the afternoon. Snow accumulation of 2 to 3 inches. Storm total snow accumulation of 2 to 5 inches. Highs around 35. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, shifting to the northwest in the afternoon. Wednesday night, cloudy. A 20% chance of snow in the evening. Lows 20 to 25. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then partly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow in the afternoon. Highs around 35. West winds 5 miles an hour, shifting to the southeast around 5 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Lows around 25. South winds 10 miles an hour, shifting to the southwest overnight. And now for the extended forecast. Friday and Friday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows around 20. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Highs around 30. Lows around 15. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 30. Lows around 15. Monday and Monday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 40. Lows around 30. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs around 50. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for overnight, breezy. Freezing rain possibly mixed with rain, and sleet late in the evening, then rain and sleet possibly mixed with snow overnight. New snow and sleet accumulation up to 2 inches. New ice accumulation of 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch. Lows around 32. East winds 15 to 25 miles an hour.
This is the Twin City Metropolitan Area Weather Radio Station, KC65, serving a portion of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.55 MHz, and transmit from the KSTP television tower in St. Paul. The current time is 12:11 a.m. Central Standard Time.
At midnight in the Twin Cities, light rain was falling. It was 33 degrees, or 1 degree Celsius. The dew point was 31. The relative humidity was 92%. The wind was east at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 30. The wind chill was 21. The pressure was 29.61 inches and falling. Around the metro, snow was falling, with a temperature of 34 at Blaine and 32 at Lake Elmo. Rain was falling, with a temperature of 34 at St. Paul and 34 at Eden Prairie. Around the state, at Brainerd, snow was falling, with a temperature of 28. At Rochester, rain was falling with a temperature of 33. It was cloudy with a temperature of 30 at St. Cloud, 29 at Duluth, and 27 at International Falls. Across the Dakotas, temperatures were between 30 and 35 degrees. At Fargo, snow was falling. At Sioux Falls, it was cloudy. In Iowa, rain was falling. It was 50 at Des Moines and 37 at Mason City. Around Wisconsin, temperatures were between 33 and 37 degrees. Rain was falling at Madison and Milwaukee. At Eau Claire, it was cloudy. Once again at midnight in the Twin Cities, it was 33 degrees. The wind chill was 21, with light rain.
Winter storm spreading snow, sleet, rain and some freezing rain across southern and central Minnesota, as well as western Wisconsin.